Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease your camera exposure before taking a picture on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on your home screen tap on camera. Okay, once the camera has opened, tap on photo to start taking a photo. And before you take a photo, you can see at the top here next to the camera flash icon, there is a exposure button. If you tap on that, it will give you more options at the bottom here, and you can drag this bar at the bottom to the left or to the right to decrease the exposure, or to increase the exposure you can drag it to the right hand side. And now you can see my picture is overexposed. The right exposure is the one in the middle, which is 0.0. So you want to choose 0.0. If you would like to increase the exposure, you can drag it all the way to the right hand side. Now another way how you can bring up this exposure is to swipe up and then tap on this exposure button in the bottom menu. And then from here you can change the exposure just like so. So that is pretty much as pressing the button here at the top. It's like a graph button where you can just tap on it, and then it will simply allow you to change the exposures, or you can hide it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.